Hey everyone, ever tried to access certain content on Telegram only to find it's restricted? Frustrating, right? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to enable 18 plus content on Telegram. Yes, it's easier than you think. Stick around till the end, because I've got a crucial tip to make sure your settings stick. You don't want to miss it. Let's dive right in. First things first, grab your browser. This step cannot be done through the official Telegram app. Type web.telegram.org into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Next, log into your Telegram account. Simply enter your phone number and Telegram will send a verification code straight to your app. Check your messages, get the code, pop it into the field, and click Next. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Telegram dashboard. Now let's get to the settings. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, select Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. Keep scrolling all the way to the bottom until you find the option that says Show Sensitive Content. Just check that box. To make sure these changes take effect, refresh the web page, close your Telegram app completely and reopen it. And there you go. You've now unlocked 18 plus content on Telegram, and you'll be able to view sensitive content or access channels that share such material without any issues. Bonus tip. Quick bonus tip. If you still don't see sensitive content after following these steps, try clearing your Telegram cache or logging out and back in. Sometimes a quick refresh is all it takes to apply the new settings perfectly. What other Telegram tricks would you love to learn? Drop your suggestions in the comments below. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss out on more quick, easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.